Learn with Tutu.
Oh, a circle! It rolls everywhere!
Circle, square, triangle, two, shapes so bright just for you. Find them here, find them there, shapes are fun everywhere. Shapes, shapes, oh so fun, come and play everyone. Circle, square, triangle, two, dancing shapes just for you. Rectangle and oval, don't you see? Shapes are dancing wild and free. In your book, on the floor, shapes, shapes, sing some more. Shapes, shapes, oh so fun, come and play everyone. Rectangle and oval too, dancing shapes just for you. Round and round, spinning high, shapes are soaring through the sky. Pointy tips and edges straight, shapes are great, don't be late. Shapes, shapes, oh so fun, come and play everyone. Circle, square, triangle, two, dancing shapes just for you.